topic is designing a learning system. So designing a learning system. Learning system means, here we already know that well-posed learning. Well-posed learning in the sense, so in machine learning, what is the purpose of machine learning? What is the purpose of machine learning? So machine learning that is having ability to learn, right? So we can say by well-posed learning, so by using well-posed learning principle, the machine learning that learns. So here machine learning that learns means by using a system. Which system that the machine learning using? Which is using a learning system. So by using this learning system, the machine that can learn. So based on learning, it can do different tasks and all. Okay. So designing a learning system. So if you want to design a learning system, we need to design a proper way, right? So if we do not design a learning system in a proper way, what will happen? There is no any proper output, or there is no any efficient in that particular output, right? If you want to design a learning system, we need to design a learning system in a proper way to get the output efficient and proper output. Okay. So designing a learning system, if you want to design a learning system in proper way, we need some steps. So what are the steps involved in designing a learning system? So these all are the different steps involved in designing a learning system, right? So what is the first step? Choosing the training experience, and second one is the choosing the target function. Third one, choosing a representation for the target function and choosing a function algorithm, and finally is final design, right? So these learning system, right? These are the 5 steps that is involved in the learning system. So coming to these 3 steps are very different to the first step, right? So second step, which is the choosing target function, representing target function, and function approximation algorithm, these 3 are different to the training experience. After completion of these, after choosing these 4, only we will obtain the final design. Okay. After completion of, or after choosing all these steps only, we will obtain the final design. Okay. So coming to the choosing the training experience, the first one is choosing the training experience. So coming to the choosing the training experience, in this step, this is the first step actually to design a learning system. The first step is choosing the training experience. In this choosing the training experience, we are having 3 attributes. How many attributes that we are having? 3 attributes. So what are the 3 attributes means? First one is type of feedback. First one is type of feedback. And second one is degree. Second one is degree. And third one is anyone? Second one is degree. And third one is distribution examples. So these all are the 3 different attributes present in choosing the training experience. Okay. So what is the first attribute? Type of feedback. What is the first attribute? Type of feedback. In this type of feedback, we are again having 2 types. What is that? One is direct feedback mechanism, or we can simply say as direct feedback, and second one is indirect feedback. So first one is in type of feedback, we are again having 2 types. What are they? Direct feedback and also the indirect feedback. So what is direct feedback feedback. So for best example for choosing the training experience means, first one is, the best example here is checkers game. Checkers game, this is the example. So what, do you know checkers game? Do you know checkers game? Checkers game is similar to like chess game, but there is some difference. In chess game we are having king, horse, minister, right? But in checkers game only two parties are there, same as like as the chess game. But in checkers game there is no any kings and all, only the coins are there. So this is the board of checkers game. Okay, so this is the one party and this second one is, this is the another party. So one party, the coins is in a white color or any whatever it is, white color, and this party is having black color, right? So this is the example for the direct feedback. So what is the direct feedback here? So direct feedback in the sense, if you go with checkers game having a two different types of parties, which one party is having with color white and another party is having color with black. So these two different players will play with some conditions. So what are those conditions means? These. For example, if the player 2 want to move a coin, what will happen? This coin only will move into the forward direction only. Okay. So here this coin only move to the forward direction. So forward direction means it cannot go with this right. Okay. It only move on to the diagonal way. So what is the next step for this coin? How many steps that it is having? How many steps that it is having? 2 steps. Why? How it is possible? Means there is some conditions, right? Only it has to move forward direction and only it has to move in a diagonal way. There is no any straight forward direction. It has to move in forward with diagonal way. So how many possible steps that it is having? 2. Again you are saying 2. Right? Where it is? Only one it is there. Right? Only one it is there. So only one step is there. Right? So like the way the coins will move to the one step to another step. If again it is has to move, again the coin has to move from this step to this step. Right? So means the condition here is it can only move the forward direction and also in a diagonal shape, diagonal direction. So why I am saying this is the best example for direct feedback. Why I am saying that this is the best example for direct feedback. So direct feedback in the sense we can say we are having some possible moves from one step to another step. So if you find when you are playing a chess game in your laptop or in your system, when you play a chess game, you will get a hint. So if you go with like this, you can kill the another player here. So you will get a hint. So sequence of moves, what will happen on next move will get a hint. That is nothing but a direct feedback. Did you understood? Did you understood?